Alright, so with Google Docs, you're probably familiar with the notifications that you get via email around the comments on a Google Doc, whether it be someone leaves a comment, responds to a comment, tags you in a comment, or resolves a suggestion that's been made in a comment. There's been a new layer of notifications added in the last month or so from Google Docs. This time around, the notification comes when someone makes an edit to the document, which is really useful if you're working on a long-term document, or if it's a type of document that anyone can edit, but they don't necessarily leave comments. So you'll get an email each time someone makes a change to the document. Let's take a look. Oh, and one more thing. Edit notifications are also available in Google Sheets. They've been around for quite a while, but I only discovered it yesterday somehow. So let's go back and take a look. So here we are in our document. You simply need to come up to Tools, and down here to Notification Settings, you'll see it's got this new button here at the moment, make it a little bit easier to find. Click that and you get these options here. So you can decide on what comments you want to get notified about, but here in the edits, you'll want to go ahead and click that one because it will be none by default. And go ahead and click OK once you're done. Each time someone makes an edit to the document, you'll be notified via email. You'll have a link to the document and a summary of what changes they made to your document. Now this does also work with Google Sheets. Apparently it's been around for quite a while, but I only discovered it yesterday, so there you go. So again, under Tools, under your Notification Settings, and then you want to go ahead and choose Edit Notifications. And so this is great if you're using Google Forms, so anytime someone submits a form, you can get notified about that, and you can choose whether you're going to get notified daily or get notified right away. So if the form that you're expecting lots of responses on, you might want to go for the daily digest. If you're only expecting a few responses or you do need to know immediately, then hit that right away or straight away button there. So you just go ahead and choose the ones you want, click Save. So there you go, some options for updating the notification settings for your Google Docs and your Google Sheets to hopefully help with your overall time management and document management. If you have any dramas, let me know and we'll sort you out. Cheers.